This boat is a 2018 Sea Ray 240 SDX. It features the black forward-facing watersports tower with a bimini top. The 240 SDX features a big wide bow compartment for comfortable passenger accommodation. There are flip-down armrests on both sides for passenger comfort. Both of the seat cushions, both port and starboard, lift up for storage below. There's a filler cushion set that converts the whole bow compartment into a huge sun pad. And there are cockpit tables, both fore and aft, one for the bow compartment, one for the cockpit. It's showing where the armrest up and now the armrests are down. So the bow compartment provides seating, provides a big sun pad, and a cockpit table. And there's a bow blocker door to cut down on the wind flow. The 240 SDX has a seating capacity of 13 passengers. The passenger seat is reversible to convert to an aft-facing sun lounge. The helm seat not only swivels, it has adjustable height. This boat has the optional Ray Marine digital dashboard. And it has a Rockford Fosgate stereo system with 4 speakers, 2 speakers in the bow compartment, 2 speakers in the main cockpit. And this boat has the blue LED cockpit lighting. And it has an enclosed head compartment with a pump out head. With the passenger seat aft facing, you've got a big L lounge with a fold down armrest and drink holders. In the engine room on this, we have a MerCruiser 6.2 MPI, 300 horsepower. This powerful 300 horsepower 6.2 MPI is coupled to a MerCruiser Bravo 3 Outdrive with twin stainless steel counter-rotating propellers. And there are the Sea Ray round fiberglass cocktail tables, both fore and aft. The aft sun lounge converts to a aft-facing seat for sun lounging facing the rear of the boat. And then the sun lounge has hinges to lift up for storage below. And there's a flip-down submersible swim platform on the Sea Ray 2018 240 SDX, powered by a 6.2 MPI MerCruiser 300 horsepower and a Bravo 3 Outdrive with twin stainless steel propellers.